Justine Petersen's Green Loan Fund provides socially and environmentally responsible businesses loan capital for startup and expansion. The William A. Kerr Foundation generously provided seed capital for the fund. The Juice Box, located at 3003 Arsenal in St. Louis, is one of the original Green Loan Fund borrowers. Owners Shawn McKie and Angie Beatty were able to leverage Justine Petersen financing with a $90,000 grant from Echoing Green.
Lower income African Americans and other people with lower income suffered disproportionately from a variety of preventable illnesses. We decided, well, we'll make healthier foods more available to people in areas who have the least amount of access, who suffer the most from all these illnesses. We'll make it more accessible, but then we'll also provide resources, educational tools, information, workshops, and make it fun.
I pick up a small business monthly and was looking for organizations or funders that will provide seed funding or startup support. I came across Justine Petersen's organization and gave them a call. I spoke with a senior loan counselor. His name was Galen Gandolfi. We spoke over the phone briefly. I introduced myself. I told him what my interests were and the nature of my business. And he said, okay, it sounds good. Why don't we meet? So I came in and I brought with me an article for the Juice Box. I opened the first store in Augusta, Georgia. And I came to talk to him about starting a vegetarian vending business, but I shared the article to show my background in health and nutrition. And he looked at the article, he says, this is really interesting to me. I don't know, I'm not certain if we can help you with your storefront at this time, but let's talk about vending. And we started to talk about vending. And I presented a business plan. I met with their board, and they decided that they will help my vending business get off the ground with a small micro loan, and I was very grateful for that. That was in 2007. Through that effort, as time elapsed, I started to think about reopening the store. So I wanted to revisit that conversation with Galen. And again, he was very receptive. He saw great potential in what the store could become. Had it not been for their support and seeing the potential of what we had to offer with this endeavor, I'm not quite sure when and if the Juice Box would have opened again in St. Louis, but those guys took a chance and they saw potential, and I'm very thankful and excited that they supported this endeavor, and here we are. One of the programs that I became a part of is an individual development account where it matches funds that an individual is saving. And when those funds became available after maturity, it also allowed us to reinvest in the business. They have a credit card program, very low interest. Again, in retail, if someone is coming in and we need to do a special order, having a credit card to be able to immediately purchase a product and have the 30-day cycle to pay for that is very important. And they will report payments and credit history. So through a number of ways, they're able to help increase one's credit score. There are a lot of great counselors over at Justine Petersen. They were all very supportive, and they actually created a loan package that allowed us to find a building, to sign a lease, and to start the juice box here at 3003 Arson.